Subscribe to Movie Talkies and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
And to take the point of Anil Rai about conservative Indian middle class being conservative, so do you think films are a great medium to like open up to such issues which are like not?
The best thing about cinema is that it mirrors the society. जो society में हो रहा होता है वो आपको आईना दिखाती है और यही आईना आपको नजर आएगा फिल्म के अंदर. अगर किसी के साथ प्रॉब्लम होती है हम छुप छुप के बात करते हैं बाद में सबके सामने आ जाती है पर इसमें किसी चीज़ का मजाक नहीं उड़ाया गया है. ये फिल्म में एक मैसेज है कि मर्दानगी सिर्फ वो नहीं है और बाकी सारी चीज़ें हैं. मैनलीनेस इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट गेटिंग इट अप, यू नो, इट्स अबाउट बीइंग chivalrous, being a nice person, having a nice character. मतलब उसके बावजूद भी अगर लड़की आपसे प्यार करती है, that's true love.
Okay. अच्छा, you said कि जो मतलब और चीज़ें भी होती है, ज़रूरी नहीं डेट करना और वो, but वो भी एक biological need है ना?
Of course it's a biological need, but
so
of course sometimes...
how is this film trying to clarify that?
Sometimes the bond between two people is beyond that. It's just purely platonic.
Really?
Like this girl is...
Really?
She's like, really? Oh, ये कौन सी क्या बोल रही हो?
आप पता नहीं मुझे, लेकिन होता है कई बार दो इंसानों के बीच में ऐसा कुछ रिलेशन जो beyond sex होता है. You should not, yeah. But I think in this situation, Sugandha and Mudit, they're madly in love with each other. Like probably they are beyond, the relationship is beyond that.
What about you, Bhumi? You seem to be not agreeing to him on screen.
I'm sorry,
with
ma'am.
what he said just now.
No. I actually completely agree with him. See,
On screen.
On screen, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot that she does for him on screen as well. But you know, I'll tell you what. Our film is about, it celebrates the imperfections of a relationship. You know, no relationship is perfect. No romance is perfect. Usually on screen, we see happy images, everything is great. But you know, there's small things that matter, even though this is not a small thing. But our film speaks about a lot of those aspects, and it just speaks about true love and how you can win over the toughest battle if you're together.